Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur out random people from your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this as an example because I can't really find any other videos currently, so I'm just going to be using this. And for instance, I want to blur, I guess, the background of it. So let's say we want to blur this portion out. I'm just going to go to cutout first, and I'm going to select auto cutout. And I think it's going to just cut out everybody that's on this video. Let me just move this around. Okay, yeah. And I want to like blur, I guess, this section here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to select, actually I'm just going to copy and paste that again. Then I'm going to select this here, and I'm going to go to effects, and I'm going to search for the blur section, which is under lens if you can't find it here. And I'm just going to put it, I guess, on the top one and really adjust the blur. Then I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to select mask. And I'm going to kind of like select the one that I don't want to blur. Wait, do it on this one I meant. Sorry. So like here, maybe she wants to blur these out. She can do that. And I'm just going to feather it out a little bit as well, so it doesn't look super unnatural. Well, yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!